Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to be really honest with you today because I feel like we're friends and I can share things with you like this. I have short nails, like really short nails. And honestly, I'm a nail biter. I know. It's a little embarrassing to admit, but it's a habit I've had forever and I'm working on it. So, because of that, my nails and my cuticles are not exactly in the best shape. They're kind of rough, a little ragged, and my cuticles are always overgrown and just not cute. You know what I mean? So, when I started getting into press on nails, because honestly, press ons have been a total game changer for people like me. Watch till the end so you can see the end results. It is chef's kiss. I realized pretty quickly that prep is everything. Like if your nail bed isn't clean and smooth, those press-ons are not going to lay flat. They're not going to last. And they're not going to look good no matter how pretty the design is. And the biggest thing standing in my way, my cuticles, they were just all over the place. So I went on a hunt for something that would actually help. And you guys, I found it. I found the thing, and I'm so excited to tell you about it today because this has genuinely changed my whole press on nail routine. Okay, so let me tell you what this product is. It's an ultra fast cuticle remover. And the claim on the packaging is that it eliminates excessive cuticle in just 15 seconds. You heard that right, 15 seconds. So when I first read that, I was like, okay, sure, that sounds like a marketing talk. But I want to tell you, it is not just marketing talk. I mean, you can see from the results here what I'm talking about. I mean, this is like magic. This is like amazing. But first, let me talk about what's in it because this is the part that really sold me and made me feel good about putting it on my skin. A lot of cuticle removers out there are super harsh. They're loaded with chemicals that can really dry out your skin and irritate the area around your nails, which, especially if you already have sensitive or damaged skin from nail biting like I do, is not an ideal situation. But this one has moisturizing aloe and chamomile in the formula. And if you know anything about skincare, you know that aloe is incredibly soothing and hydrating. And chamomile is one of the best ingredients out there for calming irritated skin. So, while this product is removing your excess cuticle, it is also conditioning and soothing the skin at the same time. It's like doing a double duty right there on your fingertips. And I just think that's so smart. The difference it makes from my press on application is huge. You can see it. Now, my nail beds look so much cleaner and more defined after I use this. The press on sits so flat and looks so natural. I genuinely get many more days of wear out of them because of the bond is so much better. Now, all I have to tell you is give this a try. And you'll see that this actually will be one of your best things that you can add to your nail care routine. I hope this was helpful. And if you want, you can follow me for more. Thanks.